sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold? Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Thursday, the 17th of February. I'm James Spann. Thunderstorms are moving into West Alabama as we speak. It's going to be an active evening and night with these storms, but after that will be much quieter tomorrow and over the weekend. But a lot to talk about in terms of short-term weather, so let's get right to it. We'll start with the upper air look across the country, and troughing is approaching from the west, a good shortwave north and west of the state, the dynamic support for storms. Visible satellite view. Sky mostly cloudy, just not much sunshine. A little bit now and then, but not much. But still very mild. Temperatures are mostly between 65 and 75. Birmingham at 73. We're watching the dew points, which quite frankly are a bit more important on a day like today. The dew points are now in the middle 60s for Demopolis in Utah. The dew points up to 63 in Tuscaloosa. And as the dew points rise, we'll see increasing instability values this afternoon. But at the moment, as I do this update about 2 o'clock, there's not much instability from Birmingham north and east. The air is unstable mainly south of Tuscaloosa. That was the radar composite. That was captured about 1:36. And again, those storms are indeed pushing into West Alabama. And we now have a tornado watch for parts of North and West Alabama, for areas north and west of Birmingham. This includes Huntsville, Decatur, Cullman, Jasper, Tuscaloosa, Greensboro, Utah, Livingston, and then areas back to the Mississippi state line. The watch does not include at this point Birmingham, Anniston, or Gadsden. And again, the watch is in effect until 8 o'clock tonight. The watch could be extended later, but for now, that's the main concern. Here's the larger view across the country, and you can see we've got a wind advisory for pretty much all of Alabama for strong gradient winds. Away from storms, winds could gust to 40, maybe 45 miles an hour this evening out of the south. And, of course, in the cold air sector, we've got the winter storm warnings in effect for parts of Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, and southern Michigan. So a very active storm system. Here's the latest outlook from the SPC for the rest of today and tonight. We still have that level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk for parts of middle and western Tennessee, north and central Mississippi, northwest Alabama. This is the probabilistic outlook for tornadoes. And again, you can see that 10% area, that's within the enhanced risk. And the hatched area means that there might be a strong tornado, an F2 or higher. So far, the storms have been relatively behaved, and we're thankful for that. But again, we've got a long way to go here. In Alabama, the enhanced risk is basically west of a line from near High Top down to about Lakeview in Tuscaloosa County, down to Demopolis. The area is in orange. That's the main concern for the possibility of tornadoes this evening. We've got the slight risk down to Weiss Lake, Prattville, Grove Hill. The rest of the state, east and south Alabama, in a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5. So again, obviously, the call for action here, be able to hear the warnings, have a reliable method or two, and have a plan. And we'll get through the night together. Tomorrow, maybe some thunder east of the state along the South Atlantic coast. No severe weather expected in day 3, which is Saturday. Not a single thunderstorm expected across the country. But the precipitation numbers are coming up on the QPF here. Again, this is suggesting parts of North Alabama could see rain amounts between 3 and 5 inches between now and Thursday morning of next week. We'll have a break from the rain tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, but next week, at least the first half of the week, looking pretty wet. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Trough is on by. The day will be dry, clearing, breezy, much cooler. The high in the low 50s. Saturday, we start the day in the upper 20s, the high mid to upper 50s with a sunny sky. Sunday, a beautiful day, sunny with a high in the middle 60s. Now, Sunday morning, we'll start the day below freezing, but a big warm-up, mid-60s likely Sunday afternoon. But Monday, the moisture is back. Cloudy, showers around, highs in the 60s, not raining all day, but occasional rain. Tuesday, this is suggesting the heaviest rain might be a bit north of Alabama, but showers are still possible. Showers possible Wednesday, and Wednesday should be mild, highs exceeding 70. And a week from today, Thursday the 24th, troughing off to the west, we still have a southwest flow aloft, and still some chance of showers on Thursday. So some chance of rain each day next week, at least Monday through Thursday. And we do note Thursday of next week there might be some icing problems over Arkansas, up into parts of Missouri. We'll keep an eye on that. But again, no evidence of that being a problem here. We'll go out 10 days. Sunday the 27th, a zonal flow, and that looks pretty quiet. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean, a little over 4 inches between now and the 4th of March. Temperatures high of tomorrow 49 on the National Blend of Models, but then we warm right back up with 70s in here by the middle of next week. And the latest CPC outlook in the house, this is for the 24th of February through the 2nd of March. Temperatures around here near or maybe slightly below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
Cracks in brick, cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.